Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll cover the next part of the hour, minute, and second functions. So uh, today we cover the second function. Yeah, in our previous videos we have seen how we can extract hour, minute. Similarly, how we can extract seconds from a particular time. Yeah. So what second does, it isolates the seconds component of a time value. It retrieves an integer between 0 to 59 seconds because we know we have 60 seconds in a minute, which starts from 1 to 60, but usually we started from 0 to 59. Yeah. So you may consistently use time function that combines the hour, minutes, and seconds to generate a new time value. You can use it in combination with hour, minutes, and seconds. Yeah. So the serial number will contain a date or a serial number which will specify the timing. So you need to have a decimal number for that particular part. You cannot have a whole number because, as you know, your time starts after the decimal number in an integer. Yeah. So let's try to find out the seconds in this particular various formats of dates that we have. So what I need to do is equal to second is the function, and then I select the time that I am trying to fetch the seconds from. So it will give me 40 seconds. As you can see, we have 40 seconds in this particular time. Let's see for the next function, it is 10 seconds. As you can see here, same way for here, we have 50 seconds here, it is available. In this serial number, again, let's see what is the, so we have 50 seconds in this serial number as well. Yeah. Let's see what we have for this one. 22 seconds. So it is exactly fetching the seconds from a particular time in whichever format you must have kept it as in your cells. Yeah. So whichever formatting you have, it will automatically fetch the seconds from that particular time if it is in a valid format. Suppose it is not in a valid format. If I specify minus sign in front of it, it will give me a value error. Same way, if I try to input a negative number or a serial number into a second, so I say negative 59 seconds, it will give me a number. But if it is in text and it is in a valid format of a time, then it will give me the relevant seconds from that particular text. Yeah, so it automatically converts the text using the time value functions and gets you the exact seconds which are required. Yeah, I can use it in combination with the time function. If you remember, I can get second. And if you remember, I have this time function which I can specify as 22 hours, 55 minutes, and 34 seconds. And time function will convert this particular numbers into a time, and then I can fetch the seconds. So I have 34 seconds in this, which is here. Yeah, so I can use it in combination with various other functions to get a relevant particular data or input for a particular analysis that I need to have. Yeah, I forgot to put in the syntax. So it has a syntax like second, you specify the time or the serial number for which you require the seconds. Yeah. So this is how you use the second function to fetch seconds out of your time available in a cell reference or if you are specified within the arguments. Hope I was able to make clear the concepts with regards to seconds function. Hope you understood it. Do like this video, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Yeah. And comment if you want me to cover any topics which are at most important to you and you want me to cover it in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all those videos directly to your inbox. Moreover, it will keep me motivated towards creating such free content for your people. Thank you so much.